I've just bought this third-party Makita battery and charger from AliExpress out of my own money. Just thought I would do a quick video to see what it's like. You have an LCD charger. This was only £10 on AliExpress. Feels a bit cheap in all honesty, but it was only £10, and if it lasts, you know, and if it charges the battery, then great. Comes with a European plug, which obviously I don't want being in the UK, so I'm going to have to get an adapter, or I'll probably cut the end off and put a UK plug on there. But it replaces DC18RC. There is basically a graph there showing you the charging rate. Ion lithium between 14 and 18 volts. It's a 3.5 amp hour charger. Says rapid charge, but 3.5, I don't call that rapid charge, I call that normal, but anyway, we'll have a look. And also a 6 amp hour third party battery. Well, I've got to be honest, that's a bit disappointing that it's clearly a Makita fake. The one I actually picked on AliExpress didn't have Makita on it, it just had 6 amp hour 18 volt iron lithium. So they have sent me this with fraudulent branding. Also has the Makita star embedded into the plastic, so you know, just goes to show you got to be so careful what you're buying this day and age, you know, because this looks like a genuine Makita battery to me. Come fully charged. I'll weigh the battery in a minute, and also it even has the white, I don't know if you can see that over there, but it even has the white blanking over one of the screws that genuine Makitas have. So clearly a fraudulent copy. But this was £16 UK money. Paid for by myself. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video. Both items have been bought out of my own money, but it'll be interesting to see what this battery is like. But like I said, the one that I bought, and I'll show you the listing, didn't have Makita on it, unless they just blanked that out with a bit of tape or masked it off or whatever they did with Photoshop. It just had 6 amp hour 18 volt iron lithium. So as some of you may notice, I have been using a DeWalt to Makita adapter on my Makita tools that, I've got to be honest, works really well. I've also reviewed these third-party DeWalt batteries that were sent to me on my channel. I'll leave a link in the top corner over there if you're interested. But these batteries, I've got to be honest, I've been testing these now for about 8 months and they've been pretty good. And as you can see, works perfectly with the Makita. The adapters are about £12 on eBay if you fancy getting one. But yeah, fits the tool perfect. Works with the tool. Try it on the disc cutter. Try it on my brand new Makita grinder that I've only recently purchased. This is a genuine one, by the way. It was purchased from a authorized Makita dealer. Well, as you can clearly see, it seems to work fine. A Makita copy. So we'll check it on charge now, because like I said, even though it's showing fully charged, it might need a little top up. And I'll probably open the battery up to see what cells are inside. But like I said, this is definitely not a Makita battery. So, you know, a bit disappointed with that in all honesty, because that's fraudulent. powers up, that's a good sign. Right, charger seems to be working fine. It's charging. It's telling me it's 20 volts. It's 84% charged. 3.1 amps are going into it. So yeah, the charger seems to be working fine. And like I said, it was only £10, about £10.20. So we leave this on charge now, and we'll come back to it a bit later and take another look. As you can now see, I have fitted a normal UK plug to it, works fine. Just take it apart quickly so we can see what's happening inside. But for the price, yeah, it works well. Plastic is a bit cheap, in all honesty, compared to other branded chargers. But it charges the battery. I've used it a couple of times now without any problems. And that's what we got inside. There's your LCD screen, your connectors to the battery. Not much inside. I don't know what a real Makita charger looks like inside because I've never taken one apart. So if you have, let me know. Let me know if there's more electronics than this in a genuine Makita. I would imagine so. But at the end of the day, it's handy to have as a backup, and so far so good. Quick grinding test now, because this is what normally takes battery power. And we still have 4 bars left. Even the tool is showing us. So yeah, I gotta be honest, this Makita clone, so far so good. I'll do another video in a few months time. If you want me to, let me know in the comments. I'll do another video in a few months time after using this battery quite extensively on projects, and let you know if it's still going or if it's gone in the bin. But for the first impressions, it's really good for the money. But like I said, I'm not a fan of piracy, which this clearly is because it's got the Makita logo on there. And obviously it's not a Makita battery, but the grinder is a genuine Makita. So yeah, for the money, like I said, a bit disappointed with this not you know, having Makita on it, because that's just, you know, trying to pass it off as a genuine one. But it seems to work well. Only time will tell. So yeah, if you like the video, please leave a like, and also if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing, as it helps the channel, and hopefully I will see you on the next video.